want to switch it up a little bit.
Yeah,
you
of
want to hear something crazy.
Yeah.
So
It's
Rice
yours talking, right? So it's always
exactly,
crazy.
always
So it's
crazy talk, baby. Rice landed a 3-star quarterback, JT Granado, not
Okay.
because they sent him a letter. They're like, hey, White Sox, you want to tell your owner to come play for us here at Rice and become an Owl? Of course, White Sox, the name of his pet cat.
Well, this is just another one of those stories where it's showing you the evolution of the recruiting game. I mean, they're really just taking it to another level. Now kids aren't just getting letters signed by the coaches and texts and everything else. They're able to find information about you if it's via social media or
There's definitely some Instagram stalking going on.
something's happening where his little cat was shown or he talked to him in person and told him about his cat. Something happened where they knew that would strike a chord with this young fella and hit him where it counts, and it did, and he ended up signing. I mean, to go there, especially going to Rice, when you're a quarterback and you hear the Houston name and you get an offer from them, you know you're going to be able to put up numbers, throw the ball around the field, and for him to be able to say, let's go to Rice because of this, I mean, that's great. So
And-
I love my hat off to the coaches for coming up with that one.
No tuna in the mailbox, though, for White Sox? I mean, that probably would have been an NCAA violation somehow.
Yeah,
so.
you give them something, and I mean, you're bribing the cat, and then you get that. So